Alright, Dr. Kemp here, the Hammond Doc, and I just finished refurbishing this VTVM IM 5228, and you can go back and watch the previous videos that I've made about this instrument. And so now I have it plugged up. I put in a couple of capacitors and some new tubes. Clean the switches. And now let's turn it on. See what happens. And as I understand it, it does that. The needle goes over like that when you first turn it on. And I'm going to have to do some studying and reading about how to use this machine. But it's functioning. There you go. See the needle moving there. Lit. So looking forward to playing with this machine and trying it out. And anyway, it's working. And there's a calibration procedure and to go through. So I'll have to do some reading about that and studying on that issue. And but anyway, I have the machine functioning, and now it's ready to be professionally calibrated, and then it will be able to be put into use. All right, Dr. Kemp, the Hammond Doc. Peace out.